guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Aquarius, and this is going to be a weekly reading from the 1st to the 8th of August. And this is a general reading, guys, and if you're interested in personal reading, please get in touch with me. All the information is given below. Let's see what other messages for Aquarius. Here we have let's go. The first card is the 7 of Wands here, and the 3 of Wands. 7 of Wands and 3 of Wands. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? What should Aquarius know from the 1st to the 8th of August? We have got the Pope of Stars. Okay. Messages for Aquarius, please. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, we have the Hermit. Right. Messages for Aquarius. We have the 10 of Swords, or the 10 of Stars. Messages for Aquarius. Okay. We have the Abyss of Stars. We have the 3 of Stars or Swords. We have the 5 of Spheres and the 6 of Spheres here. Alright. So let's see. We have the 7 of Suns here, which means that there's some kind of a burden being removed, or there's some kind of hope coming out from a burden situation, or some kind of blockages. So you might feel that there's something new coming out of that situation, bring some kind of huge transformation here, and you might be in touch with a spiritual leader, or you might be in touch with the spiritual side, and you might be taking a hermit mode here, which means that you're going within to find answers to your questions, which is leading to an ending of a cycle. Ending of a painful cycle with the 10 of Stars here. And then we have the Abyss here, which clearly means that you need to listen. This card always talks about listening to your intuition or your thoughts here. With the Stars, it's always about thoughts, what going inside your head, or you might be even your intuition. Now we have the 3 of Stars here, bringing some kind of pain, sadness, ruin. This can be also about one-sided love. And there is some kind of struggle here with the 5 of Pentacles or the 5 of Spheres. And then we have the 7 of Spheres, clearly talking about financial gain, or some kind of growth in financial gain. This also says of some kind of gifts coming towards you. And the overall energy is initiation, which means that this is initiate of the moon, which means that there is so much of desires and what do you say, feelings here. So you are initiating some kind of feelings here. Okay. Now let's see, why is the 7 of Suns here? Why is the 7 of Suns here? Why is the 7 of Suns here? Yeah, things are moving. Yeah, there is some kind of financial help coming towards you, or this might even be some kind of things moving in a totally different direction, or you might feel that things are moving, things are changing here. Bringing 3 of Sun here, bringing transformation here, because you might feel that there's some kind of stuck up feeling. So you might be moving from the stuck up energy. Feel that this is all about thoughts. You might be stuck up in thoughts here. Now, and then we have the Pope here, which means that you're going within, or you're needing your help, getting help from your spiritual person here, right? And we have the World here, which means that there's completion here, ending of one cycle and starting of the another. Excuse me, guys. This also can mean that a new door opening in for you, bringing new opportunities here. Then we have the Hermit here. Wow. 10 of Swords here, bringing an ending here. So you're thinking about an ending, or you're thinking about putting an end to a situation here, putting an end to a painful situation here. Alright. Now we have the 10 of Stars again here, which is like a which means a continuing energy here. And let's see why is that. Because somebody is bringing offer here, a little small offer here, bring from the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, which means that there is an offer, passionate offer coming towards you. Now, the Abyss, why is the Abyss here? Seven of Pentacles, which means that you know that, or you can feel that there's some kind of growth coming towards you, or you might feel that there is, your intuition is telling you that there is some kind of growth coming towards you, all right? Or you know that this is a fact that growth is happening, but it's very slow, right? Now, why is the Three of Stars here? Clarify the Three of Stars here. Yeah, so you are manifesting a one-sided love here. I really feel that you are manifesting something new, or you're manifesting a new beginnings from a painful situation, or I really feel that's a one-sided situation, one-sided love situation here. Now there is struggle here with the Five of Spheres, which means that there is moving forward, which means that you are taking this is the yin and the yang. This is bringing this is like conditioning yourself to understand the right and the wrong, the bad and the good, the light and the dark, and moving forward. You're taking this effort, and I really feel that you're doing it by yourself. You're taking all the I really feel that you're taking the risk and you're moving forward. Now with the Seven of Spheres, it clearly means that the Seven of Cups here, which means that you might feel that there are options, or there are options coming towards you, and this means that you're confused here, which means that multiple options can give you so much of confusion. Now let's see why is overall energy initiate. Because the Hangman, this is a slow moving energy, or it's like this is not even an acting energy here, which means that it is slow and it's just on the thoughts only, which means that you are initiating a communication, or heart, you are trying to initiate what you feel towards this person. But this is a slow moving energy, which means that this is only in the thought process right now. You're not acting on it. All right. Now let's see what are the oracle messages for you, Aquarius, from the 1st to the 8th. Okay, from the 1st to the 8th. Okay, we have prosperity. So there's abundance coming towards you. Prosperity is flowing towards you. So be open to receive it. And the next card is magic, which means that there's magic around you. So expect excitement and joy. Now the next card is blessings. Wow, prosperity, magic, and blessings. So count your blessings, and the good in your life will multiply. All right. So these are the messages for you guys from the 1st to the 8th, Aquarius. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me in Facebook and Instagram. All the details are given below. And thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.